Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the image in Preview and showing the markup toolbar so the tools are ready. Click the Instant Alpha tool to target contiguous background color. This is faster for solid or simple gradients. If the background has varied tones, switch to the lasso or Smart Lasso to draw a precise outline around your subject. Once the initial selection looks close, do not finalize yet. Refine edges and add or subtract regions. Once you have a base selection, refine it with zoom. Magnify to 200% or more so you can see hair and fine edges. Use Shift while selecting to add areas you missed, and hold Option to remove excess background that got included. For tricky contours, alternate between Instant Alpha and Smart Lasso in short passes so you preserve fine details. Make sure to pan the canvas while zoomed so you can inspect every edge. An iterative approach prevents harsh cutouts. You finish by deleting the selected background. Preview removes those pixels and leaves transparency if the image supports an alpha channel. If delete grays out, duplicate the file or export as PNG first, then reopen and repeat selection so transparency is preserved. Once satisfied, choose Export, PNG, and check Alpha or Transparent Background if prompted. If you see jagged or haloed edges, undo. Refine the selection with more zoom and softer passes, then delete again for a cleaner result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.